Welcome to this GamblingSites.org how-to video. Today we'll be providing you with our advanced guide to dealer tells and hole carding in blackjack. A tell is an unconscious action that is thought to betray an attempted deception. It's a word very commonly used in poker, where players give away their true hand's value while attempting to bluff or act in another deceptive manner. What many blackjack players don't realize is that it's possible to find dealer tells that can make a significant difference in game strategy. There are three examples of dealer tells that we want to share. They are by no means the only blackjack dealer tells, but they might just be the most common. The first tell is a smile or cheerful attitude. Dealers who want to act with players are happy to bust. This type of dealer may sometimes even smile or act cheerfully when they see a low card underneath a 10 that could lead to a bust, or upset if they see a high card that might beat even good hands. You can also use this tell in the opposite way, where dealers who are against the players are usually happy when you bust out and sad to see low cards under their aces. Frequent hole card checking is another possible tell. When you have a dealer that checks their hole card 2 or even 3 times, expect the hole card to be high. That's because the difference between a numeral and a letter is more noticeable, and they should only need to look once if it's a numeral. If it's a face card, the dealer might have to double check to differentiate between a K and an A showing through. The final tell we want to go over is card placement. Watch where the dealer places their cards after checking the hole card. If they place the cards slightly to their right, it's a subtle sign the hole card is low and the dealer expects to take a hit from the shoe. If the cards are placed more towards the center of the table, the dealer probably has a hand they'll be standing on. If you can read a dealer's tells, you can tell if the dealer's hole card is high or low. This means you can better predict a dealer bust or pat hand and act accordingly with greater insight than the traditional blackjack strategy chart. In most casinos, the dealer only checks their hole card if they have an ace or a 10-point card showing, so this won't apply to situations where the dealer has another up card. However, when they do check, dealer tells can make a big difference more than 1/3 of the time. When the dealer checks the hole card, they learn the value of the hand, and their behavior may exhibit that knowledge. Look for the dealer's expression to change. Watch where their eyes rest, where their hands go. Some players find that hesitating before making a decision can help draw out a dealer's tell. Eventually, if you watch closely enough, a pattern will emerge for you to exploit. If you have a hard 15 against a dealer 10 and the dealer's tell makes you confident the dealer is holding a bust hand, then you could go against the basic strategy play of surrendering and just stand. Then, if you read the situation correctly and the dealer does bust, you'll come out ahead. Hole carding is another method to take advantage of a dealer's mannerisms and doesn't require any of the psychology or reading abilities that tells need. Hole carding just requires being in the right spot, having a sloppy dealer, and looking in the right place at the right time. Hole carding is literally where you obtain knowledge of cards that are supposed to be hidden from view. A 1983 court case in Nevada found that this type of conduct did not constitute a violation of the cheating statutes, so it is legal. To scout for good hole carding opportunities, you need to be on the lookout for 3 things. First, poorly designed card shuffling machines. 2 common shuffling machines, the Shufflemaster Ace and the Ideal, are manufactured in such a way as to almost require the hole card to be revealed. Second, poorly designed casino or table layouts. Shuffling machines are almost always out of the view of gamblers, but not 100% of the time. Those machines kept in view are ideal for the hole carder. Finally, a poorly trained or a sloppy dealer or sloppy procedures. You have to look for small but consistent and revealing procedural problems for this one. Some dealers grip the cards the wrong way and may show enough of a glimpse of the symbol to give away the card. Some dealers raise their cards too high or turn their wrist out. All a seasoned hole carder needs is a quick glimpse to gain an edge. To succeed at taking advantage of things like dealer tells and reveals, you have to combine traditional game preparation with hours of scouting and research and find the perfect moment in time. We have plenty of additional videos and articles for you to make sure you are the best blackjack player that you can be, including more within the advanced blackjack section. So make sure to check out GamblingSites.org for even more on the game.